Here's a quick how-to video on how to register to our Chubibi Ambassador program. The first step is to click the link that our representative sends you from our Instagram Messenger. If a newsletter subscription pops up on your screen, just exit that window. You will then see the screen where the basic requirements to qualify for our Ambassador program are listed. Read through and check whether you reside in countries that belongs to Zone 1 and Zone 1A. Make sure that you satisfy the basic requirements before you fill up the registration form below this page. Watch our Ambassador program video too. Now you can fill up the registration form with your basic information, your name, your surname, and your email. Once done, click Register Now. You will see a message that says you have to confirm your registration sent to your email. Step 2. Go to your email inbox. Under the Promotions tab, find the email that comes from Chubibi. The subject will read, "Confirm your subscription." Click the orange button that says, "Yes, I want to subscribe." Once you click, you will be redirected to the contract page. Here, you will have to read and accept our terms and agreements. Please make sure that you fully understand what we expect from you and what you will be receiving should you be chosen as our next ambassador. If you agree to our terms, please scroll down to the bottom and click the orange button that says, "Yes, I want to proceed." Step 3. You will then be redirected to a Google pre-qualifying interview form. Here, make sure to use your previously registered email and answer the questions asked. You will also need to upload screenshots of your Instagram insights in the past 30 days. To do this, just click Add File. Upload from your device, find your screenshot file, and then click Upload. Repeat the same process for your engagement rate and for your followers' location by country. We do this to determine how well your page is engaging to our target audiences, then move forward to the next questions. Share to us your experiences as brand influencers. We'd love to hear your expertise. And last but not the least, go to our website at www.chubibi.com. Browse our store for your top 3 favorite products. And copy the URL link for us to check if we can send these products to you once you pass this qualifying interview. Once all done, click Submit and you're done. Our influencer manager will email you whether you qualified or not. Once they finish reviewing your submitted data, influencers who are accepted to the program will get further instructions on how to proceed and process your gifts from Chubibi. And that's it. You have completed the Chubibi Ambassador Program registration process. Thank you for watching this tutorial.